Hey there, it's sexologist Dr. Jalen Ricks, and happy Valentine's Day season, yeah! I know for a lot of people, the Valentine's season is their least favorite time of the year. Yeah, maybe you're one of them. And I get it, it's kind of a contrived holiday in which we're all kind of brought to face with all the ways in which we don't measure up to this romantic ideal. And it also brings to the surface oftentimes how little connection we get, how little touch we get, and how much we want it. So, let's do something about it. I'm going to be hosting, once again, another Experienced Touch workshop sponsored by Calcom Men. It will be February 16th, the Sunday right after Valentine's Day. It's going to be an afternoon for guys who like to connect and touch other guys. We will be doing all kinds of exercises and different ways of connecting with each other. I'm going to be teaching you many tips, tricks, and tools to put in your connection tool belt so that you can take these tools with you out into the world and better connect with the people you care about and the people that you want to connect with. It's just an afternoon workshop. We're going to have a lot of fun. It's clothing optional if you like that sort of thing. I certainly do. And it's reasonably priced. It's got a sliding scale. We have a limited number of spots, and about half of them are full. So we would love for you to be one of the people who joins us. So please come on out, check out the information below, and I look forward to connecting with you.